Babe, tomorrow's so far away. There's just something I have to say. I don't think I can hide what I'm feeling inside another day, knowing I love you. And I'm getting too close again. I don't wanna see it end. If I tell you tonight, will you turn out the light and walk away, knowing I love you? I'm gonna take you by surprise and make you realize, Amanda. I'm gonna tell you right away, I can't wait another day, Amanda. I'm gonna say it like a man and make you understand, Amanda. I love you. And I feel like today's the day. I'm looking for the words to say. Do you want to be free? Are you ready for me to feel this way? I don't want to lose you. So, it may be too soon, I know. The feeling takes so long to grow. If I tell you today, will you turn me away and let me go? I don't want to lose you. I'm gonna take you by surprise and make you realize, Amanda. I'm gonna tell you right away, I can't wait another day, Amanda. I'm gonna say it like a man and make you understand, Amanda. Oh no. You and I know that we can't wait. And I swear it's not a lie, girl. Tomorrow may be too late. You and I, girl, we can share a life together. It's now or never. And tomorrow may be too late. Oh. And I'm feeling the way I do. I don't want to wait my whole life through to say I'm in love with you.